Today we're gonna see two condos in an oceanfront building on Halifax Harbour next to the yacht club. Let's go inside and take a look at the building and two units for sale. As you can see, this is the entrance of the building and a gym with lots of windows and the bathroom. And elevators going up. So let's go and see the unit with two bedrooms. It's located on the 8th floor, right at the entrance here. Nice spacious foyer. And to the right is a laundry room with lots of space for storage. And it has the doors, you can close it. Also closet for coats. Lots of space here. Another cabinet could be added or a bench by the front entrance. And from here we are going into the living room. Floor to ceiling windows all around, and it's wraparound balcony there. Beautiful kitchen. It is a large island. Pot lights. Appliances are here, stainless steel, all included. Lots of space in the kitchen to cook. Built-in microwave under cabinet lighting, dishwasher, pantry, lots of light here. We are located close to downtown Dartmouth in an area called Burnside, which is a commercial area of Halifax and Dartmouth. And up the hill over there is Bedford, and this is Halifax Harbour. Look at the size of this balcony. It's over 300 square feet. I think it's about 340 square feet. So there is little restaurants here nearby, McDonald's and others. And on this side we have Yacht Club with space to have a boat. This is beautiful Halifax Harbour. On the other side is Halifax, tall buildings is around Larry, Utah area. At the end of the harbour is Bedford, and on this side we are in Dartmouth. The bridge to Halifax is about 5-minute drive from here on our left hand side. So you can see the size of this balcony. It's huge. So the views are awesome. Once again we are on the 8th floor. Over here in the background you can see the bridge to Halifax a little bit and the Halifax downtown skyline. So let's go back in and take a look, see what else we have inside in this beautiful condo. This condo has 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. So obviously this is the living area, and to this side we have a bedroom for guests. It's a large window. Look at the views here, fabulous. So nothing will be built here on this side, so you're not gonna lose your views as in some buildings. So here we have a guest bedroom, a second bedroom, with a huge walk-in closet. And next to it is the entrance to the bathroom. So That's a full bathroom here with these lovely finishes. Everything is new. So that's the kitchen and the living room area. So if you have guests who came for a visit, they can use the bathroom coming through here. Or if you have somebody coming staying with you in the second bedroom, they have the door from the other side. And of course we need to show you the main bedroom, which is on this side of the building, which is a primary bedroom. It has access to the deck, to the balcony. So this can be open, and balcony can be, this can be open and the balcony can be accessed. And you can walk to the other side to see the views of the harbor right from your bedroom with your morning coffee. And to here we have a walk-in closet for this bedroom on both sides, lots of space. Hi. And the bathroom, the main bathroom with double vanity and a shower. And the bathtub. So actually 2 people can shower here at the same time. And a linen closet, convenient right in the bathroom for towels. Beautiful stuff. So that's a 2-bedroom unit, and is, like I said, it's new, it's ready to move in. There is a gym in this building on the main floor, and in building parking. And this unit asking price is $728,000. It's about 1,450 square feet, which is a good size. And condo fees right now are about $452 a month, and the view worth $1 million. Also, if you like boating, how easy is that? You walked out of your unit and go on boating within minutes. Don't have to drive. Close to downtown Halifax, across the bridge from Halifax. Convenient location. Close to shopping, close to the highways. Very nice. Let's go see unit number 2. So here closer to the elevator is unit number 803, which is a 1-bedroom unit. And look at that nice view right by the, from the front door you can see the nice view. But first, at the entrance to the right, there is a closet and quite a bit of space here in the entrance. And lovely kitchen, open concept kitchen to living room. Also huge deck, which we'll go see in a minute. Here in the kitchen we have fridge, stove, dishwasher, microwave. Nice space for the table. So let's go see the view, because it's the main selling point here. You are basically ocean front, harbor front, I would say. So again, nothing can be built here. Beautiful views of Halifax Harbour and sailing boats, little island. Convenient area, especially if your business or work is in Burnside, which is right here, with IKEA, Home Depot, all the stores you need. But the view is fabulous. Look at the boats going by, that's so pretty. Beautiful. So here we are back in, And that's nice open space here, lots of light. Don't even need the light on. Here's the little office area. It's not that little, good size. You can separate yourself from the kitchen. And the spacious bedroom here. Again, it has access to the balcony with beautiful views of Halifax Harbour. That's facing the west, so beautiful sunsets here. No buildings, just the yacht club. No other condos being built, just a new apartment building. Next, on the other side. So here's fabulous large closet, laundry area, washer and dryer, and the bathroom. So that's it. This condo is listed for $548,000. And condo fees here are $323. Let me know if you are interested. Bye.